What is going on, everybody? My name is Jonathan, and I'm super pumped you're here. I don't know where you're coming from. It might be Facebook, YouTube. It does not matter. I'm just excited for you to be here. I want to talk to you about a life-changing product that has legitimately changed my whole business, my whole outlook on things. I want to talk to you about a product that is an artificial intelligence, and it's a copywriter. Okay, this is like mind-blowing. At least to me is, okay? And I want to talk to you about what it's done for me and my business and how it can possibly help you. This thing has helped me publish so much more for my businesses, my tree service, home remodeling, and I started doing a little bit of affiliate marketing on the side. Creating mass amounts of content was super tiresome, and legitimately I couldn't keep up with my content calendar or the demand for the content. I was always overwhelmed. And I got this email from a buddy of mine talking about this artificial intelligence that, writes copy and writes your blogs, your sales videos, YouTube scripts, social media captions, all this, you know what I mean? I'm like, okay, that's a joke, first off, because I've tried them all. Legitimately, I've tried every, artificial intelligence software, copywriting software at least, out there. I wasn't having success with it. And I was super hesitant to even try Jarvis, right? Because I've tried a handful of these softwares and they were all garbage. So eventually, probably like 30 days afterwards, I stumble upon it again. I see all these ads. So eventually I give in, right? So the past 30 days, I've been on like create mode. So I've started actually 2 new blogs. They're in the tree service niche for marketing. I've been thinking about creating, even just like a bunch of affiliate sites as well. And I've actually started on a book, right? There's a lot of great people in the community that have all these different recipes and they're showing people how to create a book. So I'm like 15,000 words into this tree service marketing book that's going to help people boost their lifetime value of each customer. But besides that, right, I've written at least a dozen blog posts, at least shot 10 new, YouTube videos, answered 50 core questions, and like all of this within the past 30 days. This software is legitimate, right? And it takes away all of your writer's block and it gives you no excuse not to take action. Obviously you have to, nitpick a little bit, but anywhere between 80 and 90% of all of the copy is from Jarvis, which is crazy. So I don't know about you. I don't know where your journey is. If you're a blogger, freelancer, marketer, entrepreneur, solo entrepreneur, affiliate, brick and mortar, does not matter. I truly believe Jarvis will help you create more content a lot quicker and create more engagement on social media, search engines. It does not matter. We'll help you with anything. I actually just did a landing page that would have took me days just on the copy, right? It took me 4 hours. I'm going to show you a sneak peek of it. I'm super excited. It's actually going to help you a lot, actually. And Jarvis actually saved me money as well because I'm not outsourcing anything, right? So I used to outsource a lot of my blog posts, you know what I mean? And there's so much Jarvis can do. I'm just super excited. This software will legitimately help you save mindless hours of you just sitting at the blank screen, and your writer's block will be gone. Existence. It does not matter. Plus the content is conversion focused, right? So if you want to get those emails, if you want to get those sales, it's meant for you, right? It'll write everything from Google ads to Facebook copy. This is like getting in on Bitcoin in 2011. This is like early adoption stuff. It's only been on the market for 6 months. There's 30,000 different people that are using this software. And I feel like you're falling behind if you're not using these resources that are available. So here's the deal. I love this product so much that I have a special bonus. I have a special offer for you.
So first things first, I'm giving you these bonuses to show you the power of what you can do with Jarvis. So the whole goal is to just incentivize you for grabbing the free trial. So bonus number 1 is a 5-day Jarvis AI intensified mini course, right? So the whole goal of this is to go over in the 5 days is to show you how to make $100 to $500 a month extra with Jarvis AI. I think this legitimately is a revolutionized software, and it's only been on the market for 6 months. I think it's going to help you create more content even faster. So this is completely free. All you have to do is give me your email and I will send it over. And then for bonus number 2, for people that are action takers, I'm going to give you 6 weeks personal mentoring from me, right? So I'm going to give you my phone number. You can call me. We can chit chat and figure out exactly what's going on with your business, how Jarvis can help, and we're going to work through all of the solutions that I can help you provide. This is a $997 value. So bonus number 3 is the 5-minute content builder recipes. I've got a bunch of recipes, workflows that I've collected, that I've created. It's going to help you create more content even quicker. Okay, so I'm going to give this to you. This is a $97 value. Okay, this is all completely free. Bonus number 4, I've got a premium software that's going to help you boost engagement on Facebook and LinkedIn. It's going to help you collect leads on autopilot. Normally sells for $19 a month or $197 a year. I'm going to give you this completely for free because I believe in Jarvis that much. Okay. Bonus number 5. This is a pre-built affiliate bridge page. This is this exact page that you're on right now. I'm going to give this to you completely free. And I've got a host of other white label funnels that I'm going to give you. Doesn't matter what niche you're in, anything from brick and mortar to, MLM. You can use these proven funnels. I'm going to give this away to you completely for free. It's going to help you save time and money so you don't have to pay someone to create your sales funnels. Bonus number 6. Okay, so this is a secret bonus. This is for the first 50 action takers. I'm super excited about this. I've used this formula, this process. This is a secret organic referral machine. I'm going to give this to you. The first 50 people, this is worth $2,500, okay? Here's a huge hint. You and your family will look forward to this bonus every year, and so will your customers. Legitimately, this has helped me get an extra 6 figures worth of referrals in my tree service. This is worth $2,500, and I want to give it to you, and I think this will benefit every single one of you. This is only for the first 50 action takers. So this is after 30 days that you've been on the platform. I'm going to give this to you, as well as all of my templates, all of my recipes, my software, my 5-minute content builder recipes, as well as 6 weeks personal coaching one-on-one. This is going to be support. It doesn't matter. It's through Zoom, Messenger, phone. I will help you as much as possible. This is only for people that stay through the trial, okay? And then so this is a total value of $4,448 just for signing up. So if you take action, go through the challenge, I'm going to give you $448 worth of value for completely free. Take the 5-day free trial, get your 10,000 free credits, check it out. There's a cumulative of over 5,000 different reviews for Jarvis. People love Jarvis, legitimately. So I've got a bunch of testimonials here. Jarvis has a 7-day money-back guarantee. They'll completely refund your payment if you're not satisfied with this. So I've got my action-based, no-risk guarantee. So for my action-based guarantee, I'm going to pay you for your time if you do not find value in Jarvis. I believe in Jarvis so much that once you get the belief and the understanding of what actually Jarvis can do for you and your business and help you create more content, anything is possible realistically, okay? So this is what you have to do for my action-based guarantee, no risk at all. It's all gain. So take up the free trial, the free 10,000 credits, try it out. You've got 5 days to try it out. I want you to take the 5-day mini workshop and learn about Jarvis, see what Jarvis can do, peek around a little bit and see exactly what's going on. And if you do not keep this for yourself, if you want a refund, and if you think Jarvis is a waste of your time, I want you to keep all of the bonuses, the $4,448 worth of bonuses, the software, the recipes, the sales funnels. You can keep it all. If you're not completely satisfied, I'm going to give you a $100 activities and hotel savings card. This is worth $100. This is for just your time. If you're not satisfied, I believe in Jarvis so much that I'm going to pay you for your time. As long as you do these 3 things, you try out your 10,000 credits, go through the 5-day mini workshop to discover how you can make $100 to $500 extra dollars a month with Jarvis. This is just through, if you're coming through my link, taking this is all my action-based guarantee. Simple 3 steps. Put in your email. I'm going to send you over the 5-day mini course, and then it's going to push you over to Jarvis. Sign up, and I'm going to send you over these bonuses. The complete process only takes about 2 minutes, and you're getting an extra $4,448. And if you're on this landing page now, I wrote about probably 85, 90% of this page is with Jarvis. This is how much I believe in Jarvis. So do me a huge favor, do yourself a huge favor, and click the link below. And if you're not on the landing page now, go to 1-800copywriter.com. Super excited for you.